42 of Alex Rudd from La Crosse, Wisconsin. Josh Cavan's going to bring them around. Let's send them off. Here they come. Green flag, and we're racing. Whoa, Meangy went sideways. Still getting the engine problems figured out. And he comes around. Chris Meangy spins around all by himself. Rear end's just a little loose. Yellow flag's out. Let's see if they see it. They do. All right. So Chris Meangy, car's not being very cooperative. Josh Cavan and Abraham Lincoln going to bring them around. And Josh Cavan setting the pace. Here they come. Green flag, and we're racing. And it's going to be nice swanger to try to get ahead of Cavan. Yeah, maybe. Oh, it's going to be close. Oh, they're pushing into turn 3 and 4. Hang on to it. Austin Fowler, Allendorf says, no, you're not going 3 wide. I'm going to do it. Allendorf on the inside of Cavan. Fowler now getting around Abe Lincoln. And we've got a little bit of smoke coming out of the back of Chris Meangy. Might be slowing him down just a little bit. But it's Jeff Allendorf to challenge for the lead against Josh Cavan. Austin Fowler going with. Austin Fowler looking to challenge Cavan for that second spot. Jeff Allendorf coming around. There he goes by. I think he's a fan of Kiss. As Austin Fowler looking like he's doing pretty good on that inside line. Nice slide up there on the inside. Does pretty good again. Josh Cavan having a little bit of trouble there in the turns as he's drifting just a little bit high. Whoa, there goes the rear end of Josh Cavan almost all the way around. He saves it. Good driving by Cavan. So Chris Meangy parking it in the middle. Have to work on the car, get it figured out. But it's Allendorf bringing you around, followed by Fowler. Fowler tried to make it 3 wide earlier, so did Allendorf. We'll see if Fowler's got something for Allendorf. He's catching him. Fowler started to look to Allendorf's inside. What's going to happen? Fowler to the Allendorf's inside again. Allendorf doing everything he can to hold him off. Both these drivers know this track very well. Here he comes for the challenge. Last lap. It's all or nothing. Oh, it's going to be a close race. Allendorf, he's hanging on. Here comes Fowler. It's going to be Allendorf. Followed by Fowler for second, Cavan for third, Neiswanger for fourth, Alex Rudd for fifth, Meangy not making it across the flag. Hopefully Chris will get it all figured out and be back for feature time. And now it's a perfect time to announce some happy birthdays. I'd like to say happy birthday to Cece Purdy. Also a happy birthday to Dan Frystack. Your girls love you, Dan. So I think they put you up to this here. They definitely wanted to make that announcement out. So happy birthday to Cece Purdy's and happy birthday to Dan Fry. And that concludes all of our heat racing. Oh, man, it's feature time. Oh, man.